When we hear about new treatments for retinitis pigmentosa, RP, one of the first questions is often, how do these discoveries actually reach patients? The answer lies in clinical trials. Clinical trials are the critical bridge between research and real-world medicine. Before any new therapy can become available, it must be tested in carefully designed studies to make sure it's both safe and effective. For RP, this might involve evaluating gene therapies that target faulty genes, stem cell approaches that aim to replace damaged retinal cells, or even new medical devices that support vision in daily life. Each trial adds valuable knowledge, showing what truly works and what doesn't. Patients who volunteer for these studies play a truly vital role. Their participation doesn't just give them access to cutting-edge treatments, it also helps move science forward for everyone. In many ways, they are pioneers, helping to open the door for future patients who may one day benefit from these therapies. Clinical trials happen in phases. The earliest stages focus mainly on safety, ensuring a treatment does not cause harm. Later phases involve larger groups of participants, testing whether the therapy is effective and how well it works in real-life conditions. This process may seem slow, but it's absolutely necessary to protect patients and ensure that only proven safe treatments reach the community. For patients and families, understanding how trials work is empowering. It allows them to make informed decisions about whether participation is right for them, and it builds trust in the treatments that eventually emerge. This channel will continue sharing updates and opportunities for the RP community, because every step forward in research brings us closer to new hope and brighter possibilities.